Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing only what you need and opening Canva. Sign in, choose a template or a custom canvas size, and make sure you have access to the text-to-image or AI image tool. If not, enable the Apps panel. Once done, position any reference layer or background you need, because the generator will composite into that space. Now craft a focused prompt, include subject, style, color palette, and aspect ratio, so the generator creates a usable first pass. You will now drive the generation with a well-constructed prompt and iterative edits. Start with a clear subject and add style modifiers like lighting, camera lens, era, and color palette. This is why results match your intent. After clicking Generate, inspect 3-5 variants, then use Upscale for detail or Remix to adjust composition. Make incremental changes, swap adjectives, adjust color contrasts, or add negative prompts to remove unwanted elements. Because you finish by refining, exporting, and knowing one key fix if things go wrong. First, integrate the image into your layout, use masks, filters, and layer order to blend it, and then export with the required format and resolution. Make sure to save variants to your project. If the image has artifacts, odd anatomy, or wrong colors, regenerate with a clearer prompt, add negative terms, or change style keywords. Often a short rephrase or higher detail setting resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.